Hi friends, welcome back to Learn with Letitia. So, today we'll learn something new and interesting. But
Maharashtra Board Subject Mathematics Standard 1.
So children, in this lesson we are going to count the pictures and circle the correct number. Okay, so you can see here some pictures. So let's see in this box what are the what are these pictures. Yeah, these are parrots. Now let us count how many parrots are there. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many parrots are there? 4 parrots are there. So here the number 4 is already done for you. You have to circle like this. This is done for you. Now let's see another picture. Here are some sparrows. Let us count the sparrows. Start from here and end here. Okay. See here. Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What you got now? 6. Now let's see where is the number 6. Yes, here is number 6. So what you have to do is circle the number 6. So in this way you have to circle the number 6. Okay children? Now let's go to some more examples. See here, in this picture you can see 2 peacocks. How many peacocks are there? 2. See, 1, 2, right? So now, where is the number 2? Yes, here is number 2. You have to circle the number 2. Okay? Now, let's go to another picture. What are these now? These are ducks. Now, let us count this. How many ducks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Where is the number 9? Yes, this is number 9. Now let us circle the number 9. See here children, you have to circle the number 9. Okay. Now let's see some more examples. Yes, these are crows. What are these? Crows. Now let us count the crows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where is the number 5? Yes, the number 5 is over here. Now let's circle the number 5. So in this way you have to circle the numbers. Okay. Now let's see this next picture. What are these? Owls. What are these children? Owls. So let us count the owls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where is the number 8? Show me, come on. Yes, this is number 8. Now let's circle the number 8. Okay, now let's see one more example. See children, what you have to do is count and write. Okay, can you see some pictures over here? Yes, this is bird, this is rainbow, and this is an auto rickshaw. So now what you have to do is, you have to read the question first, then you have to do accordingly. Okay, how many wings does a bird have? Here, can you see a bird? And how many wings are there? Wings ante రెక్కలు ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి చూడండి మీరు ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి అన్ని మనం ఇక్కడ బాక్స్ లో రాయాలి ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి 2 so you have to write here number 2 okay children now let us move to another picture this what is this is a rainbow okay so uh, you have to remember some colors of this rainbow okay so for remembering this rainbow colors what we have to do is we have to remember Vibgyor. What we have to remember? Vibgyor. See here. VIBGYOR. See children, if you remember this word, you will never forget the spelling of colors of rainbow. Why? Because this word have all the 7 colors. Let's see what is the color V means. V means violet, I means indigo, B means blue, G means green, Y for yellow, O for orange and R for red. So in this way, if you remember this Vidgyor word, you can remember all the colors of the rainbow. So how many colors are there? Let us count this. Okay, when we count these letters, we will know how many colors are there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters are there in Vidgyor. So how many colors are there? 7. Let us write here 7. Okay children, now let's see this auto rickshaw. This is auto rickshaw. So how many wheels does a rickshaw have? How many wheels are there? See here, 1, 2, 3. How many wheels? You have to write here 3. Let us write 3. Okay, children, you write properly in this circle. Okay. Now let's see some more pictures. See, what is this? This is a slate. You know children what is slate. You write A, B, C, D in this. 1, 2, 3. All you write in the slate. Correct? So how many corners does a slate have? See here, let's see the corners. Corners ante మూలలు. ఎన్ని మూలలు ఉన్నాయి చూడండి. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 corners are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now what we have to do is you have to write here 4. So write here 4. Okay. Now let's see next picture. This is a cockroach. Children, you also don't like the cockroach? I too don't like. But now in this picture we have to learn about it. Correct? So how many legs? How many legs does a cockroach have? So how many legs does the cockroach have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many legs? 6. So write here 6 in this circle. Okay. Write properly children. So now let's see another picture. What is this? This is a periwinkle flower. So let's see how many petals are there. How many petals does a flower has? 1 petals means ivanni. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 petals. How many petals are there? So write here 5. Now what is this? This is the octopus. What is this? Octopus. Have you seen octopus? No. Just you have seen in the pictures. This it lives in water. So how many legs does an octopus have? Octopus lone manaku sankhya untindi. Octo antene 8. Understood children? Oct antene 8. Octopus lo 8 legs ఉంటాయి. మనం కౌంట్ చేద్దామా? చూడండి. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many legs? 8 legs. So you have to write here 8. Now let's see another picture. This is a cup. Have you seen cup? In this your parents and relatives, friends, everybody drinks tea and milk in these cups. Right children? So how many handles does a cup have? Handles means మనం పట్టుకుంటాం కదా ఇవి చెవు దానికి ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? Only 1. So what we have to write is 1. Write 1 in this circle. Okay children? In this slide what we have to do is count and write the numbers. Here in digits and here in words. Digits ante అంకెల్లో రాయాలి, words ante అక్షరాలలో రాయాలి. ఇక్కడ మనకు పిక్చర్స్ ఇచ్చారు. పిక్చర్స్లో మనకు డాట్స్ ఇచ్చారు. ఆ డాట్స్ని మనము కౌంట్ చేయాలి. ఎన్ని డాట్స్ ఉన్నాయి కౌంట్ చేసి మనం ఈ బాక్స్లో రాయాలి. సరేనా పిల్లలు? లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్. 1 is already written over here. Now we will start writing next number. Here what? Count this. 1, 2. Write here 2. 1, 2, 3. Write 3. Your spelling is written, see, ONE1 TWO2 THREE3. Now let us count this. 1 2 3 4. Right here 4. Now count next. 1 2 3 4 5. Right? 5. Here 5 spelling is written here, FIVE, 5. Now let's go to next picture. Let us count these dots. 1 2 3 4 5 6. పిల్లలు నెమ్మదిగా కొంచెం మెల్లగా మనం కౌంట్ చేస్తే సరిగ్గా కౌంట్ చేస్తాం. ఆగం అసలే కౌంట్ చేయకండి. చేస్తే మీకు ఒక్కొక్క నంబర్ తప్పి కూడా పోయేది ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ మనం ఇప్పుడు 6 రాస్తున్నాం, సరేనా? నెక్స్ట్ 1. Let us count now next picture. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now what we have to write here? 7. Let's write 7. Now what is the spelling of 7? SEVEN. 6 the SIX, 6. Now next number. Let's count now. Next 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let's write 8 over here. Now let's count the last picture. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. These are 9 dots. Let us write here 9. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, సి ONE1 మీరు 9 వరకు ఇక్కడ స్పెల్లింగ్స్ చదువుకోవచ్చు, నంబర్స్ని కూడా రాసి ఇలాగ మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో చిల్డ్రన్, సి దిస్ ఈస్ ద homework for you. What you have to do is observe the picture carefully. This picture you have to observe carefully. చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా ఈ బొమ్మను చూడండి. చూసిన తర్వాత మీరు ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలి, ఇట్లాంటి బొమ్మలు ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి, ఇక్కడ ఒక బొమ్మ ఉంది, బ్యాగ్, పెన్సిల్స్, కార్స్, బాల్, తర్వాత బ్యాట్స్, ఇవన్నీ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ అనేది జాగ్రత్తగా మీరు చూడండి. చిన్న సైజెస్, పెద్ద సైజెస్, అన్ని సైజెస్లా ఇక్కడ కొన్ని బొమ్మలు ఉన్నాయి. అవి కౌంట్ చేయాలి మీరు. ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయో అవి ఎన్ని వస్తే అన్నీ ఇక్కడ మీరు ఈ బాక్స్లో రాయాలి, సరేనా? ఇది మీకు హోంవర్క్. ఈ లెసన్ ఇప్పుడు ఇంతటితో అయిపోయింది. మీకు చాలా మంచిగా అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటాను. You have understood this lesson nicely, I hope. So you have to do this homework and go through the test book, do all the exercises. Okay children, thank you for today.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon.